Are dentures better than real teeth? Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm a dental hygienist here to talk about dentures. And before we get started, make sure to get my free oral care guide. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to join thousands who have already discovered all of the essential components for an effective oral hygiene routine. This guide is an action plan for preventing and maintaining a happier and healthier smile. I made it just for you, for it can also help you stay on routine and never have to worry about getting dentures. And having said that, for today's video, let's talk about dentures. I get lots of comments about dentures, especially things like, I just want dentures. Having teeth is so annoying. But no, getting dentures is not the answer. Having your own teeth is always better than having fake teeth. Also, dentures need to still be cleaned daily. You still need to brush them just like you would brush the teeth in your mouth to not get sores and to reduce plaque and tartar, which can also form on dentures. And even when you do care for your dentures, oftentimes they can still give you issues, including mouth sores, not fitting correctly, causing pain and or sitting uncomfortably on your bone. They take time to fit properly and generally need to be realigned multiple times before they fit okay in your mouth. So getting dentures is not the answer to having an easier dental routine. Ask anyone with dentures. They'd much rather have their natural teeth. So let's talk about ways to avoid needing dentures. And by the way, if dentures are your only option, it's okay. Don't feel bad. If you are missing all or most of your teeth or you need full mouth extractions, it is possible to make traditional dentures work for you. But if you have the opportunity to prevent dentures by saving your teeth, this video is for you. Or if you are just someone who thinks that dentures would be easier in the future, then this video is definitely for you. Here's a comment that inspired this entire video. Forget it. I'll just get dentures one day. And this one, my dentist said if I ever have to get dentures when I'm older, that I'll have to be put to sleep and have my jaw broken to have it removed first. More the reason to avoid needing dentures. With our preventative improvements nowadays, it's much less common to need dentures as we age as it was for our grandparents and great-grandparents. So to prevent dentures, you need to do two things. One, visit your dental office for routine exams and cleanings every 6 months or more frequently if you struggle with gum disease. And don't skip x-rays. X-rays can catch cavities when they are small, when they are easy to fix, thus reducing your chances of the cavities getting bigger and needing root canals, crowns, or even causing tooth loss. Not only will you save your teeth, but you will also save your money in the long run when you get things fixed when they are small. A cavity filling is much cheaper than a root canal and crown or an extraction and an implant crown. Also, in addition to preventing cavities, routine cleanings will help prevent you from ever needing a deep cleaning due to gum disease. Gum disease leads to tooth loss, and big cavities that lead to tooth infections also lead to tooth loss. So by keeping your teeth and gums healthy, you will prevent ever needing dentures. And two, proper dental care at home. Although visiting your dentist office regularly is super important, we can only do so much for you at your dental appointments. You really need to stay on top of your dental care at home every single day in order to keep your mouth healthy. Never skip a morning brushing session. Never skip a bedtime brushing session. You really need to be brushing at least 2 times each day for 2 minutes each time with an anti-cavity toothpaste. Whether you are using an electric toothbrush or a manual toothbrush, just make sure you are using it correctly, and I will link my technique videos in the description box for you to confirm you are in fact brushing properly. And in addition to brushing 2 times each day for 2 minutes each time with an anti-cavity toothpaste, you also need to be flossing and or cleaning between your teeth with something at least once each day. I have lots of videos on proper flossing technique, tutorials on how to use water flossers, interdental brushes, floss picks, etc. And I'll link all of them below as well. And lastly, a tongue scraper. There's lots of bacteria on your tongue, and it's about 90% of this bacteria on your tongue is associated with bad breath. You want to make sure you're scraping that off daily. So the 2 things to avoid dentures are, number 1, visiting your dentist regularly. Literally don't skip your appointments. And 2, practice proper dental care at home, including brushing, flossing, tongue scraping. And if you're interested in creating the perfect routine at home, make sure to click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below to sign up for my free oral care guide and join thousands who have already discovered all of the essentials for an effective oral hygiene routine. This guide is an action plan for preventing and maintaining a happier and healthier smile, thus helping you avoid ever needing dentures. And I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if it did. And if you want even more teeth talk, you can visit my website, teethtalkgirl.com, and hang out with me on Instagram @teethtalkgirl. Peace, love, and teeth.